अच्छा, तो मैंने मतलब ये किसके लिए है?
Sounds of Pakistan, it's a YouTube channel and I try to promote Pakistani.
YouTube channel, okay.
Pakistani music.
पाकिस्तानी म्यूजिक को प्रमोट
Okay, right.
Sounds of Pakistan. Yes, please can you give me some message for the people, for the viewers who come to Sounds of Pakistan?
My message to all the youth and all the people who are listening to me right now is the message of peace, brotherhood, love. And I think that we all of us actually, people all over this world who are living, who are earning their livelihood, they should actually start getting a little more conscious about how their governments work, how the system works. And they should try to put an end to the misery in the world, especially misery that the working class is suffering from. And I know this is kind of a different kind of a message from a person who's doing music, as he's in a profession like music, but still I feel that music has all those ingredients to reach out to people with a message, and this is what we're trying to do right now. So with my music, I also try to impart whatever I have been informed about, whatever I know about the world. So in fact, I would like to sing a few lines for you. It is a revolutionary song, so all the people who have any kind of a revolutionary zeal in them would try to understand it, and probably they'll enjoy it also. हम देखेंगे, लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे वो दिन के जिसका वादा है, जो लोहे अज़ल पे लिखा है, हम देखेंगे, लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे. Thank you.